Cracking knuckles has long been surrounded by myths and misconceptions. Many believe it leads to arthritis, but research shows no direct link. The sound you hear? It's just gas bubbles and the joint fluid bursting. Some even claim it can improve flexibility, but the evidence is mixed. While it might provide a temporary sense of relief or relaxation, it doesn't actually change the structure of your joints. Interestingly, habitual knuckle crackers often report feeling a sense of satisfaction. So, if you enjoy the habit, it's likely harmless, just don't overdo it. Remember, if you experience pain or swelling, it's best to consult a healthcare professional.